Hello and welcome back to Algebra section 9.3, chapter 9, section 3. We're talking about two-way tables and probability. Alright, looks something like this right here. Okay, a couple of terms that we will look at are two-way table, joint frequency, marginal frequencies. Terms that we are not going to look at are joint relative frequency, marginal relative frequency, conditional relative frequency. Alright, so you're not going to have to worry about these. But I'm just going to look at a two-way table here. Suppose you randomly survey freshmen and sophomores about whether they're attending a school concert. A two-way table, here's a way that we can organize those. We have attendance, those attending and those not attending. So we can split the freshmen up into those attending and those not attending. That way, and from this, you could figure out totals. How many freshmen are there? Sophomores, attending, and not attending. Okay, and how many you've questioned. That's what you could figure out from this. All right, we've got another example here, making a two-way table. All right, just go ahead and copy down this two-way table, and we'll have a quick look at how we can find probability using a two-way table. We survey 106 juniors and 114 seniors. Okay, of those, 42 juniors and 77 seniors plan on attending. Okay, we want to organize them in this two-way table. All right, they plan on attending. That means they're going to go in this category right here. So we're going to fill that in. Juniors, we have 42. Seniors, we have 77. And then we know that we have a total of 106. So I'm going to put my totals over here. Okay, my total is 106, and then the total for my seniors is 114. Okay, means 114 seniors responded to this survey. I can add these up and find that I have surveyed a total of 220 seniors. This over here is what we call the margin. Okay, so when we talk about marginal frequencies, that's what we would write in the margin over here. And then from this, knowing that 42 said they are attending, and 106 responded, even though I don't have this information up here, if I'm smart enough, I can subtract these and figure that 64 must not be attending. Okay, and again, I can subtract 114 and 77, figure out that 37 are not attending. Okay, now, I can now tally up all of the ones who are not attending. Okay, make another margin down here. And then tally these up. We have 119 that are attending and 101 that are not attending. Okay, so that's what all these margins are. If I want to figure out now percentages or probabilities, what's the probability that a junior is going to be attending? Okay, well, now that I have my table, it's pretty easy to arrange that. Out of the total, it's 42 out of 220. That's the probability out of juniors and seniors that a junior will be attending. If you wanted to know of juniors, how many are attending, I could just make it out of 106. Of those attending, what's the probability they will be a junior? We could take attending. So the total for attending, say 42 out of 119. So that way, once we've organized it, it's pretty easy to find a probability using a two-way table that way. All right, and that's all we have for today. Good times. Check in again next time.